businesses to support ARSA, Arakan Rohingya Salvation Army. My dear international communities, I want to say to everyone, including politicians, including human rights organizations and all the wealthiest businesses to support ARSA, Arakan Rohingya Salvation Army, all the mujahideen around the world to support ARSA. ARSA is the best organization for Rohingya. ARSA stands to protect Rohingya from the brutal militaries in Myanmar. The brutal military have committed genocide, war crimes, ethnic cleansing, and genocide. They have done crimes against humanity on Rohingya. They have raped Rohingyan women in ASEAN, in Myanmar. ASEANs have to stand for the rights of Rohingya. United Nations should come forward, should send their peacekeeping operation in Arakan state so Rohingya can have their rights as soon as possible in their own land, in their own indigenous land. United Nations peacekeeping operation should be delivered as soon as possible to protect them. Before that, if it is not being sent right now, who would save Rohingya? So we know that Rohingya have the rights to save their own self and do the self-determination and stand for their own protection and do the self-defense in Myanmar according to international law, protecting the people in the land of Arakan. Rohingya Salvation Army, ARSA, is the best organization. Therefore, OIC, the leaders in OIC, the leaders in ASEAN, including all the mujahideen, to stand up and know who are the Rohingyans and to protect, give support, strengthen ARSA as soon as possible.